everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we are gonna be looking at another monthly mini build from LEGO. So this one was 40328, was released in August 2019, and it is a racing car. And I will show you how to make this. And I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. Why is the image turning yellow? I do not know. But without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we will need this special wide wheel attachment base plate over here. It's black with some white edges. But anyway, I'm spending too much time here. I'm gonna get moving. So we're going to be using this special sloping piece at the front of the racing car, sort of like the front wing. And we're going to be using this 2x8 standard base plate in black, and we're going to stick it to the other side of that. Now we'll need another wheel attachment base plate at the back over here, and now we get to move on to the color scheme, which is red. So we're going to be using this 2x3 base plate at the front over here in red, and we're also going to be using these special slanted slope pieces done in red as well. And we have the symmetrical arrangement too. Well, I mean the other symmetrical body, the body of the other slope piece, so it's nice and even over here. This is the nose of our little racing car, and we're going to be using a 2x2 tile as well at the front like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a 2x1 light grey base plate. We're going to stick that over here, and we're going to get these long side attachment plates done in red as well, one on either side. It's going to stick some stuff later to the sides of the racing car. Now we'll need these special 1x1x1 side attachment plates, very small ones in a light grey. We're going to stick them along here. So now we have a 5 long side attachment area on the side. We're just going to get one more of those 1x2 base plates and stick it over here. Now, for the sides of the racing car, we will need this black sloping piece. We're going to stick one of these 1x1 base plates in red, and this slope piece here as well. Just going to stick that here like that. Now, we need to make another one, and time for a little break. It's time for the fact of the day. So, Johnny, give us what you got. So, the fact of the day is an F1 car's wings are important to provide maximum downforce at high speeds. At 118 miles per hour, or 119 kilometers an hour, the downforce is twice the weight of the car. That's pretty good. Anyway, back to the racing car that we're making over here. These black slopes are going to go at the front, and it fits perfectly with these side attachments back here. Now, at the back, we're going to attach this this side attachment plate again, but in black, and we're going to attach hang on, where is it? Here it is. This special black split panel piece. I'm going to stick that upside down over here onto this attachment, and that is going to be the exhaust for our racing car. Don't worry that I'm going a bit slow. I've had a rough morning today, but anyway, we're going to be using these clip elements. I'm going to stick them at the front here, and these are going to be our little mirrors for our racing car. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Okay, and a jumper plate in black stuck over here. Now, to cover things up nicely, gosh, this thing has a lot of pieces. To cover things up nicely, we're going to be using this red wedge piece. Stick it over here like so, and now this place is nice and covered up. And we're going to get some more of those clip plates, however in black. We're going to attach them at the back so we can add the special wing at the back later on. Now, some smaller jumper plates in red, 3 of them at the back here. That's going to be the sort of rear end of the car, I believe, something like that. And we'll also need a little windscreen, so we're going to be using this see-through dark tinted tile piece like that, and a golden stud over here. I'm going to stick that in the middle of this, and this is going to represent a little driver. So we're going to get close to the end now. A 1x2 base plate over here in these jumper plates, a simple slope piece on top of that, and to use as a headrest, we're going to be using this special toothpiece, this slanted toothpiece in black. Stick that there, and it's already coming together. This is quite a big build, I must say. It's quite larger than the other monthly mini builds. But anyway, a 1x4 tile, and this is going to be our little wing at the back. So a special handle piece attached to the back, and more of those slanted tooth pieces. I'm going to stick them upside down as well. That nearly flew off the table. That would have been a disaster. Stick them like this, and to make sure everything is nice and strong, we're going to be using these 1x2 base plates in trans white, and this is going to hold the wing together. So now we bring back the body and we stick this into the clips at the back. All we have left to do now is the wheels. So we're going to get 4 of these quite special wheel rims done in grey. These are going to be perfect for this little Formula 1 car that we have here. We're going to get 4 of them, and we're going to get 4 tyres. This is only 3 tyres. I've lost a tyre somewhere. Hold on a sec. Okay, success! I managed to find another tyre. So all we need to do is to fit the tyres into the rims, which is a fiddly task if you don't want them go flying everywhere. But just like at a Ferrari F1 pit stop, we're gonna shove the wheels into the pins, and there we've done it. There we have it, our little Formula 1 car is complete, and I gotta say, it looks pretty stylish for how small it is. You need to get some good angles to see how it sort of represents an F1 car. It's just a little toy racing car. It's just a little toy racing car that you can drive around. You can make replicas in different colors. By the way, these see-through bits at the back are just there to hold things in place, so technically you don't really see them because they're see-through. And I don't know, make your own racing cars, small little racing cars. I don't know what else to say here. So I suppose we'll just end off the video now. So, I hope to hear more in the future. I hope this inspired you. And until next time, happy building. Okay, so we have a Formula 1 car here, we have a green ninja, and we have a diver. Make a story out of that.